I'm Jarl Spandow. I am the CEO of the ePocket Group, also the Managing Director of the Norwegian operation. We are a market leader here in Norway for mobile field service, and our vision is to build our company as a European player for mobile field service. And our vision is actually based on three pillars. The first pillar is that we want to deliver value to our customers. We call this quick, smart, easy. Our solution should be easy to implement. It should be a smart choice in the sense that it's giving real value to our customers, and it should be easy to use by our users. So user interface is really, really important here. The second pillar of our strategy is to industrialize the company, going from a small player into a larger player, where we can scale the company to become a European player. Which brings us to the third pillar, and that is internationalization. We want to internationalize ePocket. Doing that, of course, we get more sales, which we can invest in product development to build the product even better, and thereby strengthen our market share in this business. Yeah, the reason we choose a standard software is that we have defined certain market segments that we're working with. It's basically installation and field service. The service process is very much the same across countries and also across different sub-segments in our segments. That means that a service technician doing service on the elevator performs pretty much the same process in the field as a service technician that does service on sliding doors or on security equipment or installs electrical equipment. And therefore we can supply a standard, though tailor-made software for these specific market niches. We think that gives us an edge simply because it's really fast to implement and it's easy to install. And also you get a lower cost of ownership among the customers, as several customers share the cost of development that we are developing the product on. Common features is that you want to register time in the field, you want to register material, you want to know the service history on your service objects, and you want to do documentation on what you're doing out in the field. And this is very much the same if you are a technician in Germany or if you are an electrician in Sweden. And that gives us the whole basis for making a standardized software for our branches that we're working with. One of the big advantages with the standard software that it enables our customers to implement a standard best practice service method or a business process how to run their service business. We see ourselves as an enabler for making the service businesses more professional and being able to implement a best practice benchmark service process. If you look at the Norwegian market, some 3 out of 4 field electricians in Norway are handyman users. We also know that Norwegian craftsmen using handyman, they're very productive, they have a good profitability, often above the average than their industry peers. When we compare the Norwegian market to other markets outside of Scandinavia, we see that the penetration of the usage of mobile systems is much, much lower. So we actually think that our peers in Germany or in Benelux or in the UK for that part, they have actually something to learn from how the Norwegian service technicians or craftsmen work in this field. We often work with ERP partners where we can be the mobile extension to their ERP system, meaning that we build together with the partners integrations between the mobile field part and their ERP. That's one partner category that we work with. We also often team up with the phone operators, the mobile phone operators, and of course we have a mutual interest there to we want our software out, and they're interested in more telephone traffic. And the third one is the traditional software integrator. If we move into bigger projects, there's always or often an integration piece that is needed, and that's how integration companies can add a lot of value to our solution and to the customers that they work with. And it goes back to quick, smart, easy. It's really quick to install. Processes are defined. Checklists are pre-made or can easily be adjusted to that specific industry. And the solution is very, very easy to use and very, very well liked by our users. So quick installation, low cost of ownership is a key feature of the pocket handman solution.